Hello student, my name is Devendra Singh. I am teaching you transition element including lengtheners. According to modern classification, the elements from group 3 to 12 are called transition element. Transition element having partially filled 3D, 4D, 5D or 6D orbital. Therefore, these are also called D block elements. Transition elements can be identified from their electronic configuration. Number first, electronic configuration of the outermost orbit of this element is ns1 or ns2, and that of penultimate last but one, यानी कि outermost orbit से अंदर वाला orbit is n-1 s2, n-1 p6, n-1 d1 to 10. Number 2, in transition element n-1 d subcell is incompletely filled. Number 3, the outer two orbit n and n-1 of transition element are incompletely filled. The differentiating electron in transition element comes in bracket में n-1 d orbitals. For example, the electronic configuration of Fe, cobalt and nickel is Fe26 is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Cobalt 27 equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d7, 4s2. Nickel 28 is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d8, 4s2. Thus, 6, 7 and 8 electrons are present in the d subcell of penultimate orbit of these elements. All these are transition elements on page number 1. On page number 2, because their d subcell is incompletely filled, according to this definition, the element of copper family, copper, Ag, Au, and zinc family, Zn, Cd, cadmium, Hg, mercury, are not transition elements. These have completely filled d subcells. 29 copper Cu is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s1. 30 zinc is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2. Since these elements do not contain partially filled d orbitals, full stop, therefore element of copper family, copper, Au, Ag, and zinc family, Zn, cadmium, mercury, should not be considered as transition elements, but for convention, these elements are also studied along with transition element. These days, these elements are also supposed to be transition element. These elements also have some properties similar to that of transition element. Transition elements show horizontal and vertical similarly. That is, these elements show similarities in a period as well as in a group. On moving forward in a period, the n-1 d orbitals are successfully. On page number 3 remains ns1 to 2. On moving down a group, the number of orbits increases, but the electronic configuration of the outer two orbits remains same. However, these are few exceptions also. Example, electronic configuration of PD 46 is 46 PD. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 4d10. The outermost orbit does not have the configuration ns1 to 2. Instead, the d orbitals are completely filled. Example: chromium, molybdenum, and W are elements of group 7, 6. The electronic configuration of their outermost orbit is not similar. Cr24 is equal to 3s2, 3p6, 3d5, 4s1. 42 MO is equal to 4s2, 4p6, 4d5, 5s1. 74 W is equal to 5s2, 5p6, 5d4, 6s2 on page number 3. On page number 4, classification of D block elements. Since D block transition element also show horizontal similarly, therefore elements present in D period are also studied together. There are 4 series of D block transition elements. First transition series, 3D series. There are 10 elements in this series which belong to 7th period of the periodic table. The differentiating electron enters in the orbital of 3D subcell of the elements of this series. 3D series from SC21 to ZN30. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 3D 1 to 10, 4s1 to 2. Second transition series, 4D series. There are 10 elements in the series which belong to 5th period of the periodic table. The differentiating electron enters the orbitals of 4D subset of the elements of this series. For this 4D series from Y39 to CD48, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 4d1 to 10, 5s0 to 2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d1, 3d10, 4s2. On page number 5, third transition series, 5D series. There are 10 elements in this series which belong to 7th period of the periodic table. The differentiating electron enters the orbital of 5D subcell. 5D series LA57 from HF72 to HG80. 4 transition series, 6D series. This series is still incomplete. There are 7 elements in this series: AC89, KU104, HO105, UNH106, UNS107, UNO108, and UNE109. All these elements belong 7th period of the periodic table. The differentiating electron enters the orbital of 6D subcell. General characteristics of D block transition element. Number first, electronic configuration. The electronic configuration of the outermost orbit and of the transition element is ns1 or ns2 except PD ns0, and that of penultimate orbit n-1 is n-1 s2, n-1 p6, n-1 d. Thus, the outer two orbit n and n-1 are incompletely filled. In transition element, the differentiating electron enters the n-1 d subcell, and therefore the n-1 d orbitals of these elements are partially filled except the element of copper and zinc family on page number 5. The end.